Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to search for items online using Google Lens on Infinix Zero 40. Firstly, you'll need to take a picture of something that you would like to search for online, or just take a screenshot of it. After you have it, I already took the picture, so then just going to Google Photos, tap on this thing that you would like to search for, and now tap on Lens here at the bottom. Now it's going to bring up results from online search. I don't know why it's taking so long. I will try maybe with other picture, maybe with this one. Oh yeah, it did work. So as you can see, the results are pretty accurate. Not perfect, but not the worst. And that's just going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.